Welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. Today's update is about our fruit trees, AirLayering fruit trees that we had did last April. If y'all watched that episode, first I'm gonna talk about the pomegranate, which is doing good. This was the leaves was before was turning yellow, and now it turned back, the colors turned back to green, and it a lot of sprouts, new growth coming out from it. And I think that should be the sign that it's doing good, and probably hopefully we gonna get more new growth, and it gonna do well while it's hot, while the summer is ongoing. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is our fig tree, which is the same thing, that the leaves was turning yellow. We had to cut some of them off, the leaves off, to let the to see if it gonna grow. Now they had a lot of new growth coming on it too. Like, it's showing a good thing, good life going from it, which hopefully the roots is already fully grown inside, that will continue to grow as well. And this one got like new growth on the top, a lot on the bottom part, and this just the old leaves from it. As you can see, it's beautiful. They're doing beautiful. All right.
So today is May 15th, and we actually cut these off our original fig tree on April 21st. So this gives you a good idea of how long it takes from the cutting process to the repotting to starting to see your new growth. Now these we left these under the car porch, where in the morning the sun came up for a few hours. By noontime it was in complete shade. Whether or not it needed it to be like that, I don't know, we don't know, but I think it did help the plant kind of acclimate to being on its own. Also, we didn't water too much. Remember that potting soil that we had got? So I think maybe every 3 days or so, 3-4 days, I would put a cup of water or so in it, and basically I would just water right close to where I remember the roots were. So, and you can see how dry it looks right now. So it hasn't been watered. And we was doing a little bottom watering too, where we would sit it in water and kind of let it soak up from the bottom. So, and a lot of people have been asking us about these figs, and I told you it was easy. And I went to the house today, and we got 2 more
that's got a lot of
that are ready. They got roots on it, and those were started on April 21st. So that way, when we cut them, you'll know the exact date we cut them and how long it took them to get from April 21st to whenever we decide, which will probably be this weekend.
Yeah,
maybe so.
Probably Saturday or Sunday.
And we'll be able to keep note on just how long it took for these roots to come out. And we did have them staked up, and we'll do that for a while. Then after that, this one is small. I don't think it needs this stake anymore.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's doing good now.
Yeah, and we got a little new growth on the top right here. So it looks good. I think that's good enough for an update.
Yeah.
What you think?
Yeah. Now.
What you think, Miss?
Yes.
Miss Pink, Miss Ariana.
What you think, Miss Ariana? Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's our update for our fig cuttings for our air layering. Yeah. If you want to know how we did this and you only catching this video, then go to our first video. We're gonna put this one as part 2. So then you go to part 1, and we'll probably put it somewhere up in that little gray box over Beverly's head. We'll put a little suggestion link that you can click on that right now.
Yes.
And that way you can go and watch that part 1 video. All right, so thank y'all for watching. If you haven't hit that notification bell, hit the notification bell right now, mister. hit that bell right now, Miss Lady. All right, so here's the figs. And as they grow, we'll keep you updated. And of course, you'll always see our plants in our other videos. And it may have nothing to do with figs, but it may be, we might be talking about this zucchini plant over here, and we might pass by our fig cutting, so you'll see that. So thank y'all for watching this video. God bless, and
grow, grow, grow. Keep planting.
Baby. Thank you. Goodbye.
You did a good job.